Good afternoon, friends. I hope you are doing fine. Today I want to show you a very quick tutorial on how to use GPT-4. As you can see, let me open ChatGPT. As you know, it is an AI, so you can use it to ask questions and do all the sort of things you want to. But I wanted to show you something. If you go to this section, that is the upgrade, as you can see, for you to use or to access GPT-4, access to GPT-4, which is the most capable model, you'll have to pay, that is $20 per month. But I want to show you a workaround on how to access GPT-4 for free. So let me ask a question on ChatGPT so that you see what is the latest transfer. Let me ask this question, then I'll just copy this so that I'll use it. As you can see, the response ChatGPT gives is, I don't have real-time information as my knowledge was last updated in January 2022. That means ChatGPT does not have access to real-time knowledge. So let me show you a workaround on how we can get a solution to this. So open a new tab, then search for Bing AI. These are an AI powered by Windows, if I'm not wrong. So click on this link. Just give it time to load. Now click the Try Copilot now. Then it will automatically go to the chat section. As you can see, just give it time to load. So from here, I can paste the same question that I used before for you to see if actually it's able to access real-time data or not. As you can see, it's also able to even provide for you images. You can see, according to the latest news, Jadon Sancho is set to return to Borussia Dortmund on a 6-month loan deal. The deal has been confirmed by both Manchester and Borussia, which is true. If you are a football fan, you can know this is true, is returning. So it also provides you links to other sources that you can find the same news. As you can see, here some articles about the Jadon Sancho transfer. So that is a proof that this AI uses GPT-4, as GPT-4 is able to access real-time data. Let me just show you. So as you can see, not able to see it. I don't know where I saw it. There should be a place whereby it tells you it uses GPT-4. Oh, sorry, here it is. As you can see, Copilot with GPT-4. That is proof, real-time proof that this AI uses GPT-4. So as you can see, you can use it. The only problem with this AI is it gives you five, let's say, different, what will I call it? It gives you 5 chances to ask questions. Once the 5 are done, it does not mean that you'll be locked out. You can just click a new topic and you'll be given 5 again, and that continues. So it's an endless loop that gives you 5 opportunities to ask questions and be answered. When it's done, you click the new topic section here, then you can ask again. So that was a quick guide on how to use GPT-4 for free. If you found the video useful, you can leave a want me to cover in the future. So thank you so much for watching. I wish you guys a prosperous 2024.